Everyone and welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the month of Feb of 2026 and how it will move in the month of March of 2026. See, in this video I will be explaining you month chart, weekly chart, daily chart and 2 hours chart, as well as I'll explain you how the geopolitical and war situation it will affect the price of crude. Look at the particular trend of If you look at the particular trend of crude, what we have seen, there is a continuous downfall we have seen. Okay, and if you look at this particular downfall, this is the range where the price is moving. Okay, it is trying to go in this particular pattern. If you look at this particular pattern, if the pattern breaks upside, okay, and there is a chances that we can see the pattern can be break. I'll show you in the chart that this is the pattern it is forming. Okay, and if this particular pattern sustain, because probability will be high that a pattern at this particular level can go further upside, because it is all close to it this level. If you see this particular level, we can see the price can touch this particular level and can move further upside. If you see this pattern, because you have to understand at this particular point, which is at around $70, we can see there will be a breakout towards an upside and we can see the price will rise further high, because we have seen the war situation between Iran and Israel. There is a probability that we can see there can be a rise in the price of crude, and after crossing a level of $70 we can see it can move towards 70.6, from there a level of 72.18, from there a level of 75, then it will touch a level of $77.42. This is what we can see looking at this particular chart. But suppose if it touches a level of 70 and bounce back again towards 66.42, from there it can come down towards 62.5, and then this pattern is already fulfilled. So chances are high that if the price only move below a level of 55, then only we can see there can be a fall. But if it keep moving towards 61 till the time it is sustaining above level of 60.6, we will see there will be an upside movement. Okay, but if it keep falling below a level of $55, then only we can see there can be a downfall, because this pattern supports a downtrend. Okay, but if it keep moving upside, we can see it will touch a level of 70.6 to a level of 72.17, then to a level of 70.15, then it will cross a level of 77.68, and chances are very high it will go towards 80 also. Okay, trailing your SL is very important by around $0.25, so at least you will capture upside movement, because volatility can be there. If the price keep moving above a level of around 66.42, trail your SL by around 0.25, and if it started coming down below a level of 60.6, then trail your SL towards downside. This is what we can see looking at this particular chart. Overall trend is downside. Now I'll show you on a weekly chart, so you will understand how the price is moving. If you look at the weekly chart, we have seen a swing as formed at this level, so we can see the price if keep moving above a level of 59.17, we will see the price will move further upside, and if it keep moving above this level, we can see it can move towards 69.74, and from there a probability of going above a level of 71 can be seen. And once started crossing this level, a probability of going towards 77.62 will be there. Then there will be a zone breakout, so it will move in this particular zone, so we can see it will move towards a level of 80.64, then to a level of 84.54. Okay, trailing your SL by 0.25 is important if it keep moving above a level of around $70. Okay, but if the price started coming down, what you can see, suppose if the price started coming down, it can come down towards 66.26. From this level we can see a bounce back. As we have seen the war situation, we have seen there can be a volatility. Okay, so there is a chances that it can come down towards 62 also, then to a level of 60.7. okay, at these two supports we can see a bounce back can come, or if it keep moving below a level of 58, we can see there can be a further fall chances, so probability will be high, we can see a further downfall. Coming back on a 2 hours chart or a daily chart, you will understand on a daily chart. If you see, we have seen the swing has formed and it is trying to go upside. It has already crossed a level which we have seen in August 2025, so chances are very high the price can go further upside, and yes, it from there it can touch a level of 60, from there a level of 70.34, and once started going upside, we can see a level of 72.18, then a further upside can be seen towards 77, then there is zone breakout, so we can see a further high. But if it keep moving below that level, we can see a level of 66.38 to a level of 62.38, then to a level of 60.57. If the price falling below that level, a probability of going towards 57 can be seen, and once started going 55, we can see a further fall. Trailing your SL by around 0.25 is important if it keep moving upside by 70 or if it keep falling below a level of 58. So at least you will capture upside as well as downside movement. Now on the 2 hours chart basis, so at least you will understand how the price is moving. See, on a 2 hours chart basis, the trend is upside. So if the price keep moving above 67.89, at least it will go further high, because this level we have seen in the August of 25. Okay, so probability the upside can be seen. If it touches the level of 66.53, a bounce back can be seen, but if that didn't bounce back, we can see a level of 62.38 and further fall. But if it keep moving upside, probability of touching 68 can be seen, and from there a level of $70, and if that sustain, we can get a level of 72, and then a further upside can be seen, and then further high. If the price started going upside, we can see a further high, but if the price started sustaining over that level, a further upside can be seen. So trail your SL by around 0.25, so at least you'll capture upside movement. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you.